Okay, I don't know what happened, but I realized I think I switched my bike somehow. I think I still had the right tires, but last few races, we're gonna chalk them up to washes because I didn't have the proper bike in. I'm looking at the chat here. Someone's saying that he just got recently promoted to Cat C. So I'm hoping I'm able to hang in there pretty well. We're gonna continue with these crit races, even though they absolutely kill me. And I always finish terribly. But we're gonna try and hang in there and do our best. Looks like we're already having separation in these groups. Sheesh. This is seeming like a really strong group. Okay, we're gonna catch up. All right. We didn't get dropped yet. That was tough. Why is that going so hard? That's why. I don't know how well you can hear it, but I feel like I need to tune my bike. And I don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna be waiting until I get home. And then I'm gonna bring my bike in to get tuned up. I also don't have any tools here. All right, come on, stick with the group. Still in the bottom thirds though. This is seeming like it's gonna be a bad race. We're only one lap into. We're gonna do our best though. Get another rep under our belt. One of these days, I'm gonna do a race and I'm not gonna be tired. And I'm gonna have rest on my body, let it recover a bit. And hopefully, at that point, I'll be able to race better, put in better efforts. Because I believe every single race that I've done, I've not had any rest on me. It's been my usual 2 days. Majority of these are after my hard swim classes. This morning, I think I got 5,000 yards in. So it's like I'm never coming and doing this. And it's like the first thing I'm doing, or I'm well rested, well recovered. It's just jumping right in. Man, my bike does not sound good. Hanging in there right now, so just gonna try and keep that up. There are quite a few segments in here that were not fun though. Unless we haven't actually done a full lap. We haven't done a full lap. We just did the lead in. All right, gonna have to try and learn the course. There was someone in the chat as well, said they're from Niagara Falls. pretty close by to where I'm from. Cool to have some fellow Canadians in there that are fairly close by. Don't get dropped. It's a thin line right now. Looks like everyone's right here grouped up. And there's a couple people that are just way out ahead. Maybe 3 to 4. I feel like the group will go faster and be able to catch up to them guys, but just seeing them put that effort in doesn't make me hopeful for myself on this race. Man, these crit races, there's something else. Not as many people in these races, but they're all really strong, competitive riders. Man, my bike does not sound good. Feeling good right now though. Was tired a bit, but right now, feeling all right. This track doesn't seem any too intense. There are some ups and downs, but there's been other tracks that I've done are way worse than this. We were in first at least once during this race. We can take that to the finish line if we finish like shit. Ooh, that sounds ugly. Jeez. I don't know how much you can hear that, but live in person, that chain does not sound good. So one thing I was told is to look at the watts per kilo, especially on the climb, see what everyone else is doing. It's pretty far away, but I mean, I can kind of see it. And doing this race makes me just think about the race that I just completely failed on, absolutely miserably, and how different this is. Like, I feel like I'm barely working right now compared to the other one. I felt so dead, and I couldn't even keep up with any of the groups. Just makes me think that when I did that race, I wasn't feeling the best, and maybe that was just why. I thought it was because of overworking, not giving any rest or recovery days, but I think it could just be the cold that I had, which probably also affects my body's ability to rest and recover. All right, gotta stick with them on the climb. Everyone's using their power-ups. I already used mine. Don't want to speak too early, can't get dropped. Feeling good right now. Doing some accordion here. Definitely not as bad as that race though. That race, I was just doing it so I wouldn't get dropped. I feel like my effort level isn't even that strong right now, which is so weird. I don't know if this group's just not going fast I'm drafting well for what it is. Still got just under 5 miles left. See if we'll be able to hold it, but so far I'm feeling pretty strong. Tired, but not to the point where I'm accordion or I feel like I can't hang. Maybe it was the bike. I also put on new wheels. See if I can change the camera angle. Angled rear face. Yeah, look at those tires. Okay, how about that one? There you go. Put on some new tires here. Oh yeah, we go fast now. No excuses. Oh yeah, look at those tires. Helicopter. Oh yeah, there's the group. Where are we at? Where are we at? I think I'm in the middle. I have a white shirt on. I don't know which one it is. Let's go first person. Oh, I was so confused. I thought I was the guy in the gray, but I'm looking at, this is my point of view. It's this one. Angled rear facing. Yeah. Look at that new bike. New tires. Maybe that's why I'm able to go so fast. All my other previous races, they're scratches. I didn't have the right bike or good tires. Now we do. No excuses. All right, let's go back. Pay attention on the race. See how much fun I'm having? And I'm being able to hang with these guys. Whereas the other times, especially the time when I failed miserably, there was no fun in that, and I couldn't even hang. I was just dying. All right, let's use our power up. This is weird. I feel like these aren't loops. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but it does not seem like it's a loop. What we got left? Just over 3 miles. All right, let's draft. Get in the draft. There we go. Nice draft. There we go. Got 2 laps left. Hang with the group. This is going a lot better than I expected. I think I shortened up my warm-up too. That was another thing. I think I only went for like 20-25 minutes. Then I ended up taking like a 20-minute break in between. So that could play also another factor in it. But I would like to just blame it on the bike, and that's the reason why I've been doing shit the last few races. Looks like there's one guy breaking out ahead. I don't know if he's just trying to push the pace and make everyone else speed up, but looks like everyone else is catching up to him. Unless it's someone that's getting lapped. I don't know. So I think one of my first crit races, there were a couple people that decided to start pushing right around now. And I thought they were going out way too soon. But it turns out they weren't. And they were able to hold it for the rest of the race. So if I do see that happen, I'm gonna try and keep up with them. Whenever someone tries to make a move. If anyone does anytime soon. Unless I get dropped before that. All right. Stick with the group. Come on now. Stick up there. All right, 1.7 miles left. Everyone's together. All comes down to this last lap. I also feel like I'm not sweating as much. Maybe I am. I don't know. Heart rate's up there a bit from what I'm usually at. All right, let's be strategic with this power up. Got just under 1.5 miles, about 5 minutes. Oh, looks like it just automatically used it, unless the sweat dropped on it. Sweat might have dropped on it. Well, that's a bummer. Did sweat drop on it? There's a bunch of sweat on my phone. Put it up there. I don't know if I'm gonna get another power up. I wanna get into the draft. Only staying on the outside though. All right, 0.8 miles left. What do we got? What do we got left in the tank? Got a few people pushing. People got power ups, that's not fair. Sheesh, everyone's going. And everyone has power ups. All right. Dang, still got 1/2 mile left. Damn, those guys took off. I think those power-ups really helped them. That's what I'm gonna blame it on. Ooh, this sucks to be right at the end. Dang, getting passed by everyone. Dang. Got passed by so many people at the end there. Stupid climb at the end. Jeez. Oh. How do we do? It's about same as what I always do. Felt good on that ride, which is good. Just makes me go back to think about that day I got smoked. And I think I just was under the weather, and that's why. Oh man, that's a close finish right there. 0.02 seconds. Man, everyone just passed me at the end there though. Seems like about the same effort that I usually give. Definitely felt easy though. Climb at the end sucked. Not terrible. Hung with them. Finish will always be my issue. One day we'll get there. But thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.